The Turkmen has mountains, plains, sea, rivers and villages. The unique beauty of the magnificent nature of Turkmen land excites your heart. The Turkmen nature attracts tourists who come to our country with its uniqueness, beauty and unique corners during the 4 seasons of the year. Koytendag, one of the most beautiful parts of the country, is fascinated by its beautiful nature. On the east side of the village on Koytendag is the Arnab forest. Its area of about 1 hectare. It is considered the only one in the Central Asia in terms of age and growing area of Arnab trees in the Arnab forest. Among the Arnab trees can also be seen those over the age of 100. Due to the strong winds blowing from the mountains of the trees of Arnab forest have been tilted to the southwest and have been growing ever since with their branches down. It is a thorny tree with small dark green leaves and a sweet dark fruit. There are also legends among the locals about the origin of this forest. In science and in many countries it is known as Unabi. It grows in arid subtropical climates in the form of shrubs and trees. He reaches a height of 8 meters. The fruit of Arnab trees ripens in August and September. Arnab's fruit contains glucose, several types of organic acids, vitamin C, carotene, biotin, and gambling. From the time immemorial, our ancestors have used the fruit leaves and bark of Arnab to treat a variety of ailments. Dr. Hakim, one of the most famous doctors of the past, recommended to use the fruit of Arnab tree for the treatment of lung and kidney pain. The fruit of Arnab has been used in combination with other herbal remedies to treat coughs and to treat brain and liver diseases. Its leaves are used in colds such as garlic and onions. The bark of Arnab tree is used in the treatment of fever and rheumatism. The boiled solution of Arnab's fruit was used to treat anemia, chest pain, asthma and cough. Arnab has been used as a pain reliever. The fruit was mixed with boiled water to fight against high blood pressure. One of the natural monuments in Koytendag is the Arnab forest. The Arnab tree begins to bear leaves in April and blooms in May-June. The fruit ripens in late summer. This tree has medicinal properties, that is, the fruits of this are used when a person's blood pressure rises. In addition, the inside of this fruit has a special air of its own, that is, the blood pressure during flowering is high. The come under it, enjoy it, restoring their health. That's why the forest is now protected as a natural monument and is kept on that day of culture and arts. This is being carried out by the Koytendag State Nature Reserve and scientific research in there. When we did the research, we found that they were very old trees. When we determined the oldest of these, we were able to determine that it was more than 1,200 years old. For this reason, this forest is considered the only one in Central Asia in terms of size and age of growing trees.
1200 yıldan qoğuraqtığını biz anıqlap bildik. Şol sebäpli hem bu toqaycık Xitayda ösýän ağaçlaryň ululugy boýunça
Arnab trees are also common elsewhere, but all of those arnab trees are younger than the trees that grow in this forest.
Ağaçlary giňden ýaýran. Ýöne ol arnab ağaçlarynyň hemmesi hem şu toqaycykda ösýän ağaçlardan ýaşy kiçi.
This tree is considered a thorny tree, as we have seen, and is a tree that is resistant to thirst. As a result of another scientific research, the area occupied by this forest in the 1950s was half an hectare. At present, however, the area is expanding, and now that Arnab forest covers an area of about 1 hectare. Large-scale work has been done, preserve the Arnab forest. That is, it has a fence around it. That's why it's expanding nowadays, and now because it's very favorable conditions, it has been found that birds also come here more often. Among them we found that the long-tailed bird of paradise, which was included in the 3rd edition of the Red Book of Turkmenistan, is also nesting and breeding in here, and they came here in May to nest.
Turkmenistan'ın Kızıl Kitabı'nın 3. neşrine girizilen uzun kuyruk cennet kuşu adlı kuş.
I would like to thank our esteemed President for the opportunity to preserve such a unique nature to study scientifically and for the opportunities it provides. I wish the esteemed President sound health, long life and government activities for the benefit of the Turkmen people and further prosperity of the country.
Mümkünçilikleri için hormatly prezidentimize köp sağ olsun aýdýaryn. Hormatly prezidentimizin jany sağ bolsun, ömrü uzak bolsun. İl ýurt bähbetli işleri elmydama rowaşlyklara beslensin.
In the prosperous epoch of the powerful state, the esteemed President pays special attention to the fundamental solution of environmental issues in our independent country and beyond, puts forward great initiatives, thoughtful proposals aimed at achieving their presence in the eyes of the entire world community, the implementation of joint efforts, urgent measures. As a result of the foresight policy of our esteemed President, another important initiative has been launched in our country, attitudes that are beneficial to our nation. That is, it is aimed at further enriching the beauty of nature, our beloved land, increasing it. This is a wonderful work that has been done not only for our own people but also for the future of all mankind. Currently, scientific work is being carried out by the staff of Koytendag State Nature Reserve. This will help to understand the secrets that Koytendag is hiding in the future. The reserves of Turkmenistan are the national pride of the people, which are the main focus of the flora and fauna of the country. Nature reserves are of great importance in the protection and restoration of the flora and fauna of our country. Turkmenistan has been known for its enchanting, beautiful nature, the plains, the steppes, the basil and the basal grasslands since ancient times. The rich flora and fauna of the Turkmenland is the pride of a national wealth of our people.